In this video, you'll learn how to edit a review on Wecasa. This guide explains how to access your original survey link and make necessary changes to your feedback. Begin by locating the original survey link. This link is typically found in the email you received after your session. Open your email application and search for the message from Wecasa. If you cannot find the email, you can also look within the Wecasa app where you initially completed your review. Once you've located the email or accessed the Wecasa app, click on the link provided. This action will take you back to the survey. It is important to ensure you are clicking the correct link, as this will lead you directly to your original review. After you access the survey, you will be presented with your previous ratings and comments. Here you can make any changes you wish, adjust your ratings by selecting the new preferred value and update your written comments to reflect your current thoughts on the service. When editing your review, remember that you can modify any part of your satisfaction survey. This flexibility allows you to ensure that your feedback accurately represents your experience. It is also worth noting that you can revisit and modify your review at any time using the original survey link. Once you have made your changes, look for any prompts to save or submit your updated review. This confirmation is essential to ensure that your edits are recorded. After submitting, you may see a message indicating that your review has been successfully updated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.